What if I told you some of the coolest gadgets from science fiction are already real? We're talking about smart glasses with built-in AI, rings that track your health while you sleep, real-time translation earbuds, gesture-controlled devices, and even transparent laptops. In this video, we're checking out 10 futuristic gadgets that could completely change the way we live, work, and interact with technology. And trust me, some of these are seriously mind-blowing. Let's get into it. Starting things off at number 1, we have the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. Now, from the outside, these look like a normal pair of stylish Ray-Bans, but inside, they're packed with some seriously impressive technology. You get a built-in camera, open-ear speakers, microphones, and smart AI features all built directly into the glasses. You can take photos, record videos, listen to music, answer calls, and capture what you're seeing without ever pulling out your phone. And with voice control, you can also interact with the built-in AI assistant completely hands-free. That's what makes these glasses so interesting. They don't really look like a piece of futuristic technology, they just look like normal sunglasses, and that's exactly what makes them feel like something from the future. Coming in at number 2 is the Samsung Galaxy Ring. If you like health tracking but don't want to wear a smartwatch 24/7, this could be a much more comfortable option. The Galaxy Ring is small, lightweight, and designed to track important health and fitness data right from your finger. It can monitor things like your heart rate, activity, sleep patterns, and other wellness information. And because it's much smaller than a smartwatch, it can also be easier to wear while you sleep. What I really like about this type of technology is how invisible it feels. It looks like a regular ring, but underneath that simple design is a full set of health tracking sensors. It's basically wearable technology without looking like wearable technology. At number 3, we have one of the most unusual AI gadgets on this list, the Rabbit R1. This little device was designed to act like a pocket-sized AI assistant. Instead of opening multiple apps and tapping through menus, the idea is that you simply tell it what you want, ask a question, look up information, or use AI to help with different everyday tasks. The Rabbit R1 also has a very unique design, with a small screen, physical controls, and a retro-futuristic look that definitely stands out. Now, AI devices like this are still evolving, but the concept is what makes the Rabbit R1 so interesting. It gives us a glimpse at a future where we may not need to manually jump between dozens of apps. We may just tell an AI assistant what we need and let it handle the rest. At number 4, we have something that seriously looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. This is Lenovo's transparent display laptop concept. And yes, the screen is actually transparent. You can see digital content on the display while also seeing through it at the same time. That creates a completely different experience compared to a normal laptop screen. Lenovo showed this concept as a look at what future computers might become, and while you probably won't be replacing your current laptop with one tomorrow, the technology opens up some very interesting possibilities. Think digital design, augmented workspaces, 3D visualization, and interactive displays that blend digital content with the real world. It's still a concept, but it gives us a pretty wild look at what laptops could look like in the future.
Coming in at number 5 are the XREAL Air 2 AR glasses. Imagine sitting on a plane, in a hotel room, or even on your couch and instantly having a massive virtual screen right in front of you. That's basically the idea behind these glasses. Connect them to a compatible phone, laptop, or gaming device, put them on, and you can watch movies, play games, or use a large virtual display without carrying a physical monitor. That's what makes these so cool for travel. Instead of carrying around a tablet or portable monitor, you're essentially carrying your own private big screen experience in your pocket. And once you try the idea of having a giant display floating right in front of your eyes, a regular phone screen suddenly feels very small. At number 6, we have the MACH V1 Ultra. Now, cleaning gadgets might not sound futuristic at first, but this one definitely earns a spot on the list. It combines multiple cleaning functions into one machine. You can vacuum, mop, and steam clean all with one device. So instead of switching between different tools, the idea is to handle several floor cleaning jobs in a single pass. That can save a lot of time, especially if you're cleaning larger areas. And this is really where smart home technology is heading, not just connected lights and speakers, but appliances that combine multiple jobs and make everyday chores much easier. It might not be the flashiest gadget on this list, but it's definitely one of the most practical. At number 7, we have the ClicBot Modular Robot, and this one is just fun. Unlike a normal robot that comes in one fixed shape, ClicBot is modular. That means you can connect different parts together and build different versions of the robot. You can change how it moves, how it looks, and even how it behaves depending on the setup and programming. It's designed to make learning about coding, robotics, and STEM more interactive. But even if you're not learning to code, it's still a really entertaining gadget. There's something very cool about building your own robot, programming it, and then watching it move around based on what you created. It feels like a combination of Lego, robotics, and programming all in one. At number 8, we're getting into some seriously futuristic territory. This is the Mudra Band. The idea here is simple but incredibly cool. Control your device using tiny hand and finger movements without constantly touching the screen. The band is designed to detect subtle signals and movements from your hand and translate them into digital commands. So instead of tapping, swiping, or pressing buttons, you can use gestures to interact with supported devices. We've seen this type of control in sci-fi movies for years. A person moves their fingers and suddenly everything on the screen responds. Now we're starting to see versions of that concept becoming real. And if gesture control becomes more common, devices like the Mudra Band could be a preview of how we interact with technology in the future. At number 9 is a gadget that could make traveling a lot easier. This is the Timekettle WT2 Edge. It looks a lot like a normal wireless earbuds, but it's designed for real-time language translation. That means two people who speak different languages can have a conversation and use the system to help translate what's being said. That could be extremely useful for international travel, business meetings, or just communicating with someone when you don't speak the same language. And this is another piece of technology that used to sound like pure science fiction. You speak one language, and the other person hears the meaning in another language almost immediately. AI translation still isn't perfect, but the technology is improving fast, and devices like this show how much easier global communication could become. And finally, at number 10, we have the Withings BeamO. This is a compact health monitoring device designed to combine multiple tools into one. It can help measure body temperature, collect ECG-related information, monitor blood oxygen levels, and even assist with listening to heart and lung sounds. So instead of having several separate health devices around the house, the idea is to combine multiple measurements into one portable gadget. This kind of technology could be especially useful as telehealth and at-home health monitoring become more common. And that's really what makes BeamO interesting. It's not just about collecting numbers, it's about making basic health information easier to access from home. Of course, devices like this are meant to assist with health monitoring and shouldn't replace professional medical care when you actually need it. So, there you have it, 10 futuristic gadgets that show just how fast technology is moving. From AI-powered smart glasses and real-time language translation earbuds to gesture controls, modular robots, and transparent displays, the future is starting to look pretty exciting. Now, I want to know which gadget on this list would you actually want to own? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more futuristic tech and gadget videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.